Hey, so welcome back guys to the channel, and welcome back for another video. Hey guys, so today is going to be a DIY video. I'm actually in the garage today hanging out, trying to figure out what my next project is going to be. Of course, right now we're just doing a lot of car shows this summer. Hope you guys enjoyed the last few car shows that I've been to. Haven't really been building anything, but today I think I'm going to start working on my business signs. I've actually had a lot of old signs laying around, some signs that I got from the flea market and stuff like that, but I had a sign originally, one of the original store signs that we've owned. My father-in-law actually owned it, and the sign had broke, it failed or something like that, and they never put it back together, but I still got the insert for the business. So I came up with a little clever idea that instead of paying someone $800-900, I decided to just go ahead and try to make it myself and refurbish the sign, since I like doing stuff like that. And I'm going to show you guys the sign, and I'm also show you another sign that I picked up along the way, and we're going to do something creative with that as well. So I figured since we're working on one sign, I might as well get the other sign out. I'll probably go ahead and sand it down to bare metal, and then I come up with a little creative design for that particular sign as well. And I'll turn you guys around and show you. But anyway, welcome back to the channel guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright crew, so here's one of the sign, the old sign here that I picked up. I believe my my sister-in-law, someone had this sign, and they had put it outside. They had an antique store. They closed the antique store down many years ago. I decided to just keep the sign, hold on to it. And this is just a square. I think it's probably about 50s, could be even 60 sign when it was made. Of course, it's just a square body. My thing, what I'm going to do is I will go ahead and sand everything down to bare metal, and I'll of course do a little bit of body work to it, and we'll smooth it out, and then I'll decide what I'm going to do from there. But this is the main project here, is that this here is a plastic sign with my business on it. So the original box that it was in, actually, I don't know, I just know that it just it must have broke or came apart, and we ended up keeping this plastic here. So I'll keep that, and I went and made some 18 gauge steel, and I'll show you. We got a box made here, half of a box, and I had my buddies up there at Pierce Metal. They actually put a lip, I'll show you, they put a lip on each side, and basically what I'm gonna do is, I've actually had one of these here laying around. I need to clean it up. I just had it laying around the shop, and it's the same thing as, it's the LED light. I got these all around the shop here, you see. So I said, you know what, let me go ahead and take this, and I put it inside. I already drilled holes here, and we'll put it together, but I have to actually do some welding. We will primer this, and then we will go ahead, put it in primer, and then I'll paint it whatever color that's going to look good with the sign. So this is what we're going to be working on today guys. It shouldn't take very long to do this project. I think I probably will have about 2 days in it. I've already been working on it, getting the box made, and everything. So I just got the box back. Now we just got to weld up the ends. I will scuff it and sand it, and then we'll put it in primer. So let's go ahead and get this all measured up and put the light fixture in, and then we'll take it apart, and we'll go ahead and put some primer on it. So let's get into it. Alright, so you see where I put the screws here. I just got a hand tighten on both sides. Now we'll cut this with the cutoff wheel. Let's see here. Let it be like that. Let's go over here and get my sign. I'll show you guys how I envision this. So that's my lights there. Now I will actually cut this wire here, this extension cord, and I have it running like in the center, so then I can splice this to a hot wire and stuff, and we'll make it one solid piece. So this will go in here like that. Like I said, I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys, so I apologize. So let it go in there like that. Now I got this piece here is an extra piece, and what we do is I'll set you up and I'll show you exactly what we're doing here. And I got this piece here. I made a lip on it, and this to go to the top. And I hooked it up to some power, and let's see how it turn on. See, it look like that. It's gonna turn out good. I think that's gonna work out just fine. So then, like I said, I paint it. Well, first I prime it and everything, and I got my measurements good, so that's gonna turn out good. Now I was going to use my tube, my punch tube, but I want my hole more in the center and not on the edge. So I will actually redo these, and I just drill my holes. Alright guys, I just want to show you real quick what I normally use on my small projects. It's called Weld-Through Primer, and this is a 3M product. So what I do is, since I'm putting these strips here on bare metal, I would take this Weld-Through Primer and I'll spray the underside of it. Because I don't want it to rust. I want this to last a long time. So I did both of these strips here. I let it dry, then that way I can put it back down, and then I can go ahead and weld it, and it will never rust. So that's just a little tech tip, guys.